Hi, this is Alin from Javelin. Just to note that you can actually start with a chamfer and transition to a fillet. So let's put here a big chamfer, 1 inch, right? There are 4 types of chamfers. I suggest you use this one, the offset face chamfer. Still pretty much works the same, but with many more options compared to the traditional chamfers. If you start this way, you can actually convert it to a fillet. Okay, so no problem going one way or the other. So from here I can go to chamfer and back to fillet. Just be aware that the name itself is not smart. So it's pretty much like you name this yourself and the name of the feature stayed there even if you switched from chamfer to fillet. If you start the chamfer the traditional way, so if I'm using the let's say the first option that you see here and I attempt to convert it to a fillet, notice I don't have that option. So I'm gonna say this is more like a legacy type of tool. It's a good practice always to use the new type of chamfer. Notice also the fact that if I start it this way, I'm not getting access to the new chamfer, which if I'm going from here, let's go back to chamfer. You can see it's a face type chamfer. So it's, even though the feature looks the same, the code inside is different than the original one. So really, once you start, you have to make a decision. Are you using the legacy code, or are you using the new code? That's pretty much anything I can say in regards to these chamfers. Thank you.